Hello, this is the notes for 11.4. Volume, how much can it hold? Area of the base. The area of the base are two shapes that are parallel. Two shapes that are parallel. Also different from the other shapes. Okay, they're different from the other shapes, and they're two shapes that are parallel. They don't have to be in the bottom. So that's the area of the base. And then the height is going to be the height of the three-dimensional shape. The height of the three-dimensional shape, not the height of the polygon, but the height of the three-dimensional shape. And always remember the height and the base always come and form a right angle. All right. And again, the height is going to be the height of the shape. All right, in this first problem, the base is a triangle. So area is equal to base times height divided by 2. So in this problem, the base is 6 and the height is 10 in a triangle. 6 times 10 divided by 2, which is going to give me 60 divided by 2 is 30. So the area of the base is 30. And the height of the shape is 5. So that's going to give me 150 meters cubed. Next problem, the base is a circle. And the area for a circle is pi times r times r. So 3.14 times 8, which is going to give me 200.96. And the height of the shape is 9. So my answer is 1808.64 feet cubed. Again, volume is cubed, area is squared. Next one, I have a circle. So the base is pi times r times r. 3.14 times 4 times 4, half of the circle. So when I multiply this out, I get 50.24 meters squared. And the height of the shape is 16. So 803.84. And the next one, the base is a triangle. But I know two sides of it and I don't know the other side. So this is 20. I got to find this side. So a squared plus b squared equals c squared. A squared plus 21 squared is equal to 29 squared. A squared plus 400 is equal to 841. Subtract the 400. Subtract 400. So a squared is equal to 441. And take the square root of both sides. So a is equal to 21. So base times height divided by 2 for the triangle. So 21 times 20 divided by 2 is equal to 210. And that's the base of the triangle, which is the base of the shape, and then the height would be 40. So 8,400. All right. The next one, you can do it a couple of ways. I'm thinking of cutting it. So this is shape 1, this is shape 2. So shape 1, the volume is equal to length times width times height. So the length is going to be 2, the width is going to be 1, and the height is going to be 2, because from here to here is 2, and then from here to here is 2. So 4 times 1 times 2, which is going to give me 8 inches cubed. Shape number 2 is 4 by 1 by 2. So the volume is 4 by 1 by 2, which is going to give me let's take a look. 4 by 1 by 2, which is going to give me 8 inches cubed. So altogether, I get 16. Oh, box 1 is 8. All right, 8 inches cubed. Box 2 is 8 inches cubed. Can't be. 2 by 4. This is 2 by 2. This is 2 by 2 by, sorry about that. This is 2 by 1 by 2. 2 by 1 by 2. So that's 4 inches. This is 8 inches. So altogether I have 12 inches cubed. Sorry about that. 12 inches cubed. All right, the second way I'm going to do this one is I'm going to pretend like the whole thing is there and then cut this hole in it. So the whole shape is 14 by 25 by 10, length, width, and height. 14 by 25 by 10, which is going to give me 3,500. And then I'm going to cut out 6 by 6 by 25 back, 6 by 6 by 25. So that equals 900. So 3,500 minus the 900 will leave me with 2,600. And then the last one, I have a half cylinder and a box. So the volume of the cylinder is going to be pi times r times h. So pi is 3.14 times the radius is going to be 2.5 times the radius, which is 2.5 times 11. And when you do that, you get 215.875. And then the volume of the box is going to be length times width times height. So that's going to be 5 times 11 times 6, which is 330. So the volume of the cylinder is 215.9. The volume of the half cylinder then is 107.9, because you got to cut it in half. The rectangle is 330, and so the entire shape is 437.9 millimeters cubed.